What's good, YouTube? It's Ced, and today you're tuning to ItzGoinDownTv. Now today, oh baby, I'm bringing y'all a banger. I got SuperM, I Can't Stand the Rain, but it's live now, and it's gonna be live. So we're gonna get into that today. Now, last time I heard SuperM, they came with a banger. They came with a super banger. Go check out that last video. Link will be down in the description. Now, all I can say about it, SuperM, is their name lives up to their name. SuperM, man, they cold with it. Magnificent is what I call them. So we gonna get into that today. If you're new to this channel, like, subscribe, turn on the bell so you know every time I'm posting a video. And let's not waste much time. Let's get into it.
감정은 아픔이 되어 번진다. 지금 내게 달려갈 수 있을까? 차라리 널 몰랐다면 생각하겠네. Take me back, take me back. She got me back, got me going crazy. 쉼없이 너를 갈구하는데 Shouldn't have let you go. 뒤를 멈춰야 했어. I can't stand it anymore.
Now, my boy Bacon, man, come on now. Y'all know about that boy Bacon. Stop playing. My boy coming with the vocals, and he coming with the drip. The drip, splashing in high fashion.
Look at the white shoes, look at the white shoes. Break it down and down.
Oh yeah, he coming with it. Michael Jackson and Stevie Wonder and, you know, everybody that sings. Sounding great. Bacon, greatness. 10, my boy singing, greatness. Stop. SuperM, y'all never disappoint me, man. Come on. This is crazy. It's just like, I don't know. I guess they're the Migos of the Korean version. Like Korea, South Korea, North Korea, both of them. That's what they is, cause they popping, they lit. SuperM is lit, like drip too hard. So we know who's the ladies' man in the group, because when he hit that, all you heard in the back. So I know it was a couple panty droppers back there. Man, SuperM, they winning.
So I can't stand the rain anymore. I can't stand the cold any longer. I can't stand the rain. 더 뜨겁게
I can't stand the rain either. I hate it too. It's okay, don't worry. Super M, man, they lit, they popping. That was a good song. I like that one. Banger that I could add to the list, honestly. Now, the only tiny problem I have is like they look young as hell. Like I don't know if it's just I don't know what it is, but they look dummy young. Like are they like 17, 18 or whatever? How old they are? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Like they look super young, but they doing the damn thing in Korea, so they lit. Now the choreography in this video, the cameraman sucked horrible, but everything else, this was crazy. Baekhyun killed it, Tin killed it, Taemin, I think he killed it too. He had the crazy vocals. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Let's not even get that started. But overall, man, this video was lit. I can't stand the rain. Super M, super magnificent. That's what that is. Now the song was crazy, but shoot, I'm speechless right now, y'all. If y'all have any suggestions or you know what I'm trying to say, drop it down in the comments. If you're new to this channel, like, subscribe, turn on the bell so you know every time I'm posting a video. Until next time, peace.